Good morning, good evening, Mr. Sedel. Let me present myself. I'm Arwan Mengapen from BSc 19 BFT, and this is my project of REST API. And here you will see my screen. It's on the VS, and here I have main.html. It will be my client that will consume the REST API. I have in the main.html, I have two scripts, one for Ajax and one jQuery, and another for an external script. And this one is to display the when I do a search by title, it will display it in a div where there will be text field, text area. There are CSS I have put in the client. This is my code. Well, let me run the demo first. Here it is. This is in my PHPMyAdmin, where I've created a database named Bookstores, and I have table book, and I have some sample data in it. And here is my client. I will now search by title. Suppose I think again it's a book. There's a alert which will pop up, then it will display the book info in this text area. Okay, now I will search by author. I'm getting it in JSON format. I have some problem displaying in other format because there are multiple record, but it displays search by year, by category, by author and category. I will say idea. Now I will search by author and year. Time is very limited, like you can see. Author and year, and here is the div I have put manage book. First, let me show you a table that I have generated from the database that will show all the books and detail of the book here. And suppose I want to add a book. I have used post for insert in the database, and I add a book, a page with the choose a file, pictures, keys, click on save, and here you will see that it has been added. And in the database, here it is, you will see that the record has been added successfully. Okay, that's all that I have that I could have done, but unfortunately the delete in the table is not working. I cannot capture the function properly. And here you will see in my main several, I have used form action and method get several place, and this one I have redirect it to addbook.php and using post method. And that's all. Thank you.